Hi, I'm Justin with Countryside RV. Today we're looking at 2023 Columbus 384 RK. Starting up here in the front, we got the More Ride pen box. Moves back and forth while you're driving down the road, gets rid of the chucking, a lot smoother ride. And then up front here, we do have a gen prep. So if you did get a generator, it'd be a 5500 AWNING propane generator. We go right here. Got all the wiring, transfer switches on the other side. Makes it a lot simpler. But you got a ton of storage up here, 2 batteries, all your hydraulics, some storage. And then you can do solar on the side, but this unit does have solar on the roof. So we're coming around. You got 2 30-pound LP tanks, one on each side. Got one right here. And then there is a plug, so you can add that propane generator already. And then we have a huge front pass-through coming through here. And then you can see we got our LCI auto level. We got 6-point hydraulic auto level on this unit. And then we got the inverter for the residential refrigerator, transfer switch. And then we just got tons of storage in here. And then coming to the other side, over here, we have our docking station. You do everything from right here. Winterize, fill the tank, city water, it's all happening right here. You got your tank flush. You have 2 tank flushes because there's 2 black tanks. We got a whole unit water filter, your cable pull valves for your dumps. You got an outlet. You can even turn the pump on from out here, which is super nice for winterizing. You know, electric cord reel. Makes it a lot easier when you're hooking up that 50 amp cord, and then your solar charger right there. So then we're coming around. You do have a second dump because the kitchen's so far away from the front, so you do have to have a second gray tank back here. Kind of inconvenient, but it's not bad. There's a little bit of dead space back here in the corner of the kitchen, so you got some extra outside storage. A lot of people put hoses, whatever else in there. So. And then another nice feature Columbus does is they give you access to the residential refrigerator. So if you have any problems, you don't have to pull the whole refrigerator out to fix it. You can also turn the ice maker off right here. And then underneath, you can even drain the refrigerator. Roof access ladder. You got a second entry door heading into the kitchen. LP quick connect down there for a grill. You can see we have 2 awnings, metal wrapped. You got lights on the side, adjustable. Get the let the rain run off, block some more sun, whatever you need. You can see the frameless windows, tinted, extra big on this slide out. 12-gallon gas electric water heater. Other side of the pass-through, battery disconnect, TV hookup. That's our starter kit because this unit is sold. Slam latches on the baggage doors. Now we'll take a look inside. Construction on this unit, we got the walls, 2-inch sidewall. We got double Azdel on the outside and on the inside. First thing you see when you walk in, you got your control panel. Lights up by motion. You can run it from your phone or you can do it from the buttons right here. Shows all your tank levels. Pretty typical. Thermostat. And when you step in here, we got a center den. You have trifold sofa on each side, and they're 50-50 sleeper sofas. So you can do one side at a time. So one person can lay down, one person can sit up. Kind of nice. It's almost like a L-shaped couch almost. So, and then you can pull them both out, and you can still walk between them, which is super nice. You got kids sleeping. You can still work your way back to the kitchen without jumping over people. You got your dinette over here. 2 chairs right now, but there's 2 more under the bed up front. Flip this out. Now you got 4. You got MCD day-night shades. So you can pull down the day. Super nice. Just block a little bit of sun or all the sun. And then we got super tall slide outs, never going to hit your head. So that's convenient. We got max air fans in the kitchen and both bathrooms. Running off a remote. Rain sensor too. So super handy. Get the fumes out while you're cooking. And then we got the residential refrigerator right here. And then we have the ice maker and water dispenser right there, just like your house would. Nice big pantry over here. Tons of upper cabinets. Put about anything up there. Soft close. Super handy. Still has the magnet, so they're not coming open while you're driving. Got the residential Insignia stove. Huge oven down here. Same with the microwave. Big residential microwave. Got the vent hood in there. Nice big stainless steel undermount sink. Pull-out sprayer on the faucet. And then even down here, we got tons of space because it is dishwasher prepped if you wanted to do that in the future. And then we'll make our way up to the front. TV, we got the fireplace, changes colors, produces some heat. And then here in the half bath, we got a lot of space in here. We got a medicine cabinet, bunch of storage, extra linens, towels, food, even if you ran out of space. And then with the ACs, they are quiet, cool ACs. You can kind of see this is the middle one. There's 3 ACs on this unit. So we have one here, one in the back, and one in the front. The one up here in the bedroom has a heat pump on it, so you do have electric heat off of this AC. And then you can also use the fireplace for electric heat, and then of course your 35,000 BTU gas furnace. We have a king size bed up here. You got end tables on both sides, and then a spot for your phone up top with USB and that light. And then the bed storage goes all the way back with a rack and pinion slide out. You got aluminum framing on the bed. They build their beds like that. How do you think they build the camper? We got lots of quality here. You can hear that? It's super sturdy. Got a nice window up here in the bedroom, and on each slide, of course, TV, and then a little bit of storage down below. And then you got a huge bathroom coming up here. You got double vanity sink. You got a medicine cabinet all the way across, bunch of drawers, pop-up outlet here. You can even set your phone on top of it and have a wireless charger. You got a big, huge shower in here. You got tons of space. Got a nice shower head on here. Skylight for extra headroom. Teak wood seat, which is nice. You can flip it up, get it out of the way if you don't need it. And then a big walk-in closet. I can fit in here. So we got tons of space in this unit. So that's pretty much it for this unit. We got lots of space in here. You can sleep up to 6 because you got the 2 sleeper sofas, maybe even sleep in the chair if you wanted to. We got extra ceiling height because of the low pro ACs up front. So if you notice in the bedroom, you got tons of ceiling height, makes it feel very big. We're on a 101 wide body instead of 96 inches, so you get a little bit extra space. We got lots of good quality here. Very affordable. We got a sale price $85,999, so you can come get it here at Countryside RV.